beauties, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Amanda Hair. Big thank you to Amanda Hair for sponsoring today's video. Now let's jump into this look. So this is the hair that I'm currently rocking. I have already filmed the video, so I'm just going to give you a few specs on this wig. This is a 30-inch curly wig, 30 inches of HD invisible lace. As you can see, this lace is flawless. It looks so good up against the skin. I'm going to show you some more details as we get further into the video, but I am loving this hair. I styled this in a few different styles just to show you the versatility of this wig. Right now, I do have a little bit of product in here. I'm going to link my current curly hair products, like my favorites, down below. But it's basically water, Lotta Body mousse, and I came across this Lotta Body style melt. The way it keeps this hair juicy, and I have a thing about curly hair not being dry. I like for my curls to basically look like this all day, but not wet. Juicy. I've been rocking this wig in particular for the past 3 days. I don't like to sleep in my wig, so I honestly take it off and reapply it, and I feel like it's just getting better. I did go in and pluck a little bit more. As you can see, this does come pre-plucked and the knots are pre-bleached, so you don't have to do anything. But because I know I wanted to wear it in these intricate styles and pull it back and show off all of this lace, I decided to go in and do some tweezing. I thinned out some baby hairs. This does come with baby hairs sectioned off for you, but I pulled some more out on the side. I'm really feeling this hair. Y'all know how I feel about my inches. I love me some long hair, and this definitely passed the test. Big thank you to Amanda Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in the next one. So this is the package. These in here, I have some strip lashes, a melt band. I'm gonna put that to the side because I know I'm gonna melt this down. They gave me this nice comb. This is new, I haven't seen this. It's gonna come in handy because this is curly hair. Now let's get into the beauty. If you see it, 30 inches. It's pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-baby haired. Look at her. Oh, I love that they have the drawstring in the nape. Love that, need that. And along with the drawstring in the nape, there's silicone grip in there. And there's a comb in the nape area. We still have adjustable straps and an elastic band. They have tape on the ear tab. So this should be a super easy install. And this is 250 density. Do you see this? Do y'all see the inches on her? So I'm just going to peel the backing off and press that down. I'm gonna use the hot comb and push the hairline back just a little bit, not too much. Ooh, baby hairs I don't need. Just the hair flipped over, carefree. Curl pattern is bomb. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, so this is it for style number 2. Yeah, that's it for style number 2. I'm gonna do style number 3 and wrap this up.
Treat you special like no one did. My baby skips the nightlife and the sidelines just to show me it's mine. I'm trying to treat her special like no one ever did. Oh baby, I've been with friends. I've been so long. We do it again for you, for you. It's me, you are the star.
Braids going back on the frontal, and the rest of the hair is just out. Once again, you can't see any tracks with this style. This was a pre-cut lace. I didn't have to cut any lace, bleach any knots, or tweeze the hairline. So if you want to go in and tweeze it, that's like a matter of preference. And I'll have all the links down in the description box. All details will be down below. All products that I use will be down in the description box as well. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.